What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the slow internet issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and here tap on this power icon and then tap on restart. Now again tap on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the slow internet issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your signals. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network connection is poor. So move to an area where you can get good network connection, and after getting good network connection the slow internet issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then swipe down to open quick settings panel, and here you will see a flight mode. So tap on this flight mode icon to turn on flight mode, and then wait for at least 5 to 10 seconds, and after that turn it back off. So it will refresh the network signals, and after that the slow internet issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then try checking for software update of your phone. So for that, open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on software update, and then tap on download and install. Now from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if it's not updated, then update the software, and after updating the software to the latest version, the slow internet issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the slow internet issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.